Hey everybody, Mark here with a tutorial on how to export while using Final Cut Pro X. If you're using Adobe Premiere, don't worry. Kevin's got you covered with a different tutorial, and the link to that tutorial will be in the description down below. But if you're using Final Cut, I'll see you there. Now that we're here in Final Cut, the first thing you're going to want to do before you export is make sure your project is final. So watch it on the timeline, make sure everything is how you want it to be, and if the project is to your liking, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go over here to this button right here. You're going to click it, you're going to have all these different menus. I prefer going to Master File. Click Master File, and now you'll see this window is going to pop up. You're going to see these different tabs over here. Make sure that the file is named correctly. Once you name it, once you create your project file, you can actually name it there, and the name will then go over, and once you go to export it, the name will stick. So make sure it's named correctly. Go to settings. Now make sure, this is very important, that your format is video and audio, so that you're getting both your video and your audio. And make sure that the video code is set to H.264. I'll say it again. Make sure your video codec is H.264. Very important. Make sure everything is how you want it to be, depending on what you shot with. And then what you're going to want to do is make sure that, like I said, the info is good. Go to next. Go to your project folder. So here I have Final Cut Pro Export Tutorial. Go to export your export folder and hit save. Now we'll start exporting. Another fun tip, if you want to just export just a small part of your project, you can go over here, go to the I for in point, pick another spot, O for out point. That will only export a certain part of your timeline. So now that it's exported, what you're going to want to do is fully watch the video. So make sure that you watch it, make sure everything is correct, make sure everything exported correctly, because you do not want to hand in a project and then find out, oh, something was wrong with the export. Watch it fully before you hand it in, and then you're good to go. I've been Mark, this has been an RTV tutorial, and we'll see you next time.